Hello, welcome back to Mathline channel. In this channel, you can watch a maths lesson every week. This week's lesson is about a special type of pairs of numbers that are. What is the meaning of twin primes and coprimes? First, we'll take what does twin prime means. Two pairs of numbers satisfying particular condition. What is that condition? We will see. We have studied about prime numbers which do not have any factors other than 1 and itself. Twin primes are pairs of prime numbers satisfying certain condition. See what it is. We'll consider the prime numbers up to 100 only. You know there are infinite prime numbers. We'll consider up to 100 only. Consider the pairs of prime numbers. I list out that 2 and 3 pairs, two numbers together. Both are prime numbers. Then 3 and 5, 5 and 7, then 11 and 30, 17 and 19, then 29 and 31, then 41 and 43, then 71, 73, then 60, sorry, 7. Look at these pairs. I'm saying these are prime numbers. These pairs are prime numbers. I'm telling these pairs of prime numbers are twin primes. So can you say what they are? What is the condition satisfying? There is a common condition satisfying in all the pairs of prime numbers. What it is? See 2 and 3. 3 and 5. In this, the first written one is not satisfying that condition. The remaining only those condition is satisfied. See here, 3 and 5. 5, I just written the prime numbers, but the condition satisfying is these pairs 3 and 5, 5 and 7, 11 and 13, 17 and 19. See, 29 and 31, 41 and 43, 71 and 73. 2 and 3 is not included in this. They are prime numbers but not included in this twin prime. These are twin prime. So what is the difference between 3 and 5? 2. 5 and 7, 2. 11 and all the difference is 2. In other words, there is a composite number in between the two prime numbers. Only one composite. There is only one composite number in between these two prime numbers. But which is that composite number here? 4. And here also there is only one composite number, which is that 6. Here 12. Here 18. Here 30. Here 42. Here 72. So now understood, the first pair is not included in this group. 2 and 3 I have written. And take out the pairs of prime numbers. That is nearby prime numbers, but the difference is there is no composite number in between them. Clear? So this type of prime numbers are called twin primes. So what is twin prime? Which type of pairs of prime numbers are called twin primes? If there is one and only one composite number in between the two prime numbers, then they are called twin primes. Twin primes. Or the difference between the two twin prime numbers is 2. Clear? That is about twin primes. Remember, they are pairs of prime numbers. And what is the condition? There is only one composite number in between them. Clear? Twin prime, or the difference between the twin primes is 2. That is about twin primes. Now we will come to the coprimes. Coprimes are not prime numbers. First, remember that. They are not prime numbers. So what is meant by coprime? You have studied the factors of a number. Factors of a number. When you consider the number 35 and 8, how to get the factors? We will list out the factors. List out the factors. 1 is a factor. Then is 3 is going. 2 is not going. 3 is not. How to test 3? 5 plus 3, 8. 3 is not going. Then 5 is a factor. Then which number will test for? 7. How to test? Take the double of 5. 2 5s are 10. 10 minus 3, 7. So 7 is going. And 35. Similarly, write the factors of 8. 1, 2, then 4, then 8. Look at the factors of both the numbers. 1 is common for all the factors of all the numbers. 1 is a factor of all the number, 1 and itself. So don't consider 1. Without considering 1, see the other factors. Any common factor is there? Having same factor. Here other factors are 5, 7 and 35. Here 2, 4 and 8. No common factors. No factors are same for both 35 and 8. These numbers are called coprimes. So what is meant by coprime? Remember, they are not prime numbers. Not like twin prime. Twin prime, they are prime numbers satisfying special condition. But here, what is the condition? They are composite numbers. They are not, don't see the word primes. What is the definition of coprime? They do not have any common factor. So, numbers which do not have any common factors are called coprime numbers. Example 35 and 8. Now, when you consider all even numbers, they will never come under the group of coprimes. Now see this example. 45. We'll write the factors of 45. 1, 3, 5, 9, 15 and 45. When you consider the factors of 45 and 35, don't see 1, 5 is there here. 5 is a common factor in both the numbers 35 and 45. So we can say that 35 and 45 are not coprimes. Not coprimes. Now understood what are coprimes? Even 45 and 8, are they coprime? They are coprime. Therefore, because there is no common factors. Only you have to see the factors to determine whether the numbers are coprimes. It is a pair of 2, considering 2 numbers. Clear? So both are pairs of numbers. So understood what are coprime pairs and twin prime pairs. There is lot of difference between them. There is no similarity. Here twin primes are prime numbers. Coprimes are not prime. Clear? It or not necessarily prime, because prime numbers also can be coprime. How it is? Any number we can written as 7 is equal to 1 into 7, 5 is equal to 1 into 5. So 7 is equal to 1 into 1 and 7 are the factors. 5 is equal to 1 into 5. 1 and 5 are the factors. Without considering 1, we have to see the factors. So 7 and 5 are not the same. So these are coprime numbers. Clear? So what is that? Any 2 prime numbers are also can be coprimes, but it is not necessary that prime numbers only coprime, but composite numbers are also coprime. But whereas in twin prime, only prime we have to consider pairs of prime numbers. Clear? These are the two different types of pairs of numbers. So that is today's lesson. So thank you for watching my lesson. Please subscribe the channel Mathline, share the video, forward, and have a nice day. See you next week. Bye bye. See you.